Hi everyone, this is Khurshid Ahmed, the founder of Privify, an AI powered platform designed to protect your privacy by analyzing the visual content. Imagine if you share an image with me and I come to you with the exact location where the image was taken, the exact date and time, and the device on which the image was taken. That's weird, isn't it? In today's digital world, every image or video we share carries hidden data, metadata like GPS, device info, and more that can unintentionally reveal private information. Prevify scans and strips this metadata, giving you full control before you share. We have integrated advanced image analysis to detect and describe visual elements, flag NSFW content, and expose anything that could compromise user confidentiality. Now, let's see how this application works. Users select an image and upload it into our platform. You can see an image that we are going to upload. So now let's scan it for privacy content. Our system will analyze the sensitive content and provide a summary to the user of it. You can see the image is analyzed, and here is the metadata that contain the sensitive content like the exact date and time when the image was taken and exact device on which the image was taken. We also provide the security analysis. How can this information will be used against user? Anyone can track user location, the exact date when the image was taken. You can see the security risk of that. And also we provide the real-time map that shows where the image was taken. You can see the exact location where I take this image. You can see anyone can misuse this information against the user. Here you can see the visual confidential content that can be shared through this image. Like here we directed the license plate of the image. Anyone can see that and misuse it. If you scroll down, and you can see we provide other services like the vision analysis of the image. User can get the description of the image and the object inside the image. Let's analyze it. It's analyzing the visual content of the image, like it will provide the description of the image and the objects containing inside the image. Here you can see the description that define the image, and also below that the objects inside the image. Now you can get the idea when we share an image how much confidential content we are sharing. Here come Prevify. We provide an option to remove all the metadata, and you can select the any specific metadata like GPS location, the original date and time, etc. So we are going to remove all the metadata, and let's see how secure will be the image that is generated. You can see the metadata is removed and the clean image is generated. Now let's download this image, and you can see that this is the exact image we uploaded initially, but now it's safe to share. Now let's test the clean image we have generated. Select the image and upload it. So it will upload and analyze the sensitive content inside the image, and we can see now how safe this image is to share. Now the analysis is done, and now you can see no warning or no any other sign that metadata will reveal your confidential information. Just a warning about the license plate that can reveal our sensitive information. But we have provided the option to blur the license plate or any other object inside the image that can reveal the confidential information of the image. Let's select the number plate to blur. So here you can see the blur is applied, and now we can download the safe image. So let's see the image. Right now the blur accuracy is not that good, but we will improve in future. I hope you would like the idea, and if you wanna protect your privacy, use Prevify for it. Thanks to all for watching. and a special thank to my team that make this idea possible.